Hello and welcome to another video from the Free College on YouTube. Today we're looking at course content, educational content, sharing it on Wikimedia platforms as opposed to proprietary platforms that charge you money. So right now we're looking at Coursera's page. This is a company that has thousands of courses and you can get certified in various things, and it's a great situation. It costs $50 to $60 a month, but me being a person with a YouTube channel with a Wikipedia tutorial series, I don't really want to sell it to these guys. I want to make it available to other people and help other people that maybe can't afford to learn how to edit Wikipedia. And that's kind of what my channel's founded on. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at some of the statistics my course is getting right now. I'm getting 4 views a day from Wikiversity. There's the graph. 4 views a day. That's potentially people taking my course. So anyway, it all began with this video, the Wikipedia tutorial part 1 info box. It was totally received as excellent. Everybody loves it. So I decided to upload it and release the copyright. That's the key. If you want to do this and you have something to teach someone and you want to try to get some traffic like I'm getting, that little bit of traffic, you're going to have to upload your video to Wikimedia Commons. And I did exactly that. And I filled in all the information. I took note of file. This is what you have to put into the Wikiversity page. So anyway, I went to Wikimedia Commons. How to upload on Wikimedia Commons can be found in part 4 of my video tutorial series. You upload to Wikimedia Commons via the image upload wizard. You release the copyright, and then it becomes available to use on Wikimedia platforms. So I went to Wikiversity. Here's the home page. Go to the search, and I entitled my page Wikipedia course. And there it is. So you can make a page. Let's say you're good at changing tires, and you have a YouTube channel dedicated to all automotive sales. It doesn't matter. If you have something to teach and you want to release the content of that video, you can upload it. You can create a course page for that or add to a course. You can put your video in, and as you see, my video says info box by the Free College. So people know that there's someone named the Free College that is uploading Wikipedia course content. Simple Googling will turn them to YouTube, and there's some more traffic for my page. So I just wanted to show you guys how you can avoid going to Coursera and trying to sell them your content when you can just make small little courses on Wikiversity and upload videos via Wikimedia Commons. You can look at the source code of my page. It's very basic. Just click the pencil up at the top, and there's a very basic outline for you to make a course. It doesn't have to be in depth. My video shows 4 or 5 different things. It's about 10 minutes long. It's a good, solid, firm beginning course for Wikipedia. So I hope that this encourages other people to try to take advantage of adding course content to Wikiversity in order to get traffic and in order to help other people learn for free. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.